Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to take you through a short and sweet sequence that will help to strengthen all the correct muscles that you need to align, strengthen and rehabilitate your knee joint, particularly bursitis. Now all you need for this workout is your mat, so let's get started. We're now going to come over onto our side for some side leg work. Just very carefully roll yourself over onto your side, and you're going to align your back with the edge of your mat. Now you can either rest your head down on your arm when it's extended, or you can prop your head up with your hand. So do whatever suits you best. We're going to make sure here the abdominals are pulled in tight, the hips are nice and stacked, navel's drawing up and in, and your hand is resting down in front of you. Now you're pressing your weight into your hand here and just making sure that those hips stay nice and aligned and stacked the whole way through. Now we're going to extend our leg out towards the corner of our mat, and we're going to lift it to hip height. Now what you want to do is relax your foot so that your toes drop towards the ground. Now just have a look down at your leg, start in parallel and then relax the foot, and look at what happens to your knee. When you relax your foot, your knee naturally internally rotates towards the ground, and that's what we want for this exercise, to have that internal rotation to target the glute medius, strengthen the knee. The glute medius are not only important for the hip, pelvic alignment and lower back, but also for correct knee tracking and alignment as well. So let's start by lifting and lowering. Good, 2 and lower. Keep that internal rotation. Just keep the foot relaxed and lead with your heel. 4 and lower. 5. Good, squeezing up. 6 and 7. Good, keep the abdominals drawing up and in. It's just a small lift leading with that heel. Good, and lift. Just 10 to go in this round. 10 and lower. 9 and 8. Strong through your center, keeping your hips nice and stacked, keeping the shoulders relaxed and down away from the ears. Let's do 5 more. Don't forget to lead with that heel. 4 more. 4 and 3. Good, just 2 more. And 1 last time. Now we're going to close those legs and we're going to squeeze our heels together. It's really important here that we keep that hip alignment and we don't roll back with the leg. So lean your weight slightly forward. Open up the top knee just as far as you can without rolling back, and then close back down. This is 2 and 3. Now really squeeze your heels together. The more you press your heels into one another, the more you're going to engage those glute medius. So press the heels together, just turn the knee out slightly. So we've gone from internal rotation, that previous exercise, to now externally rotating, moving the hip through a different range of motion. Good, pressing up. Another fantastic knee stability exercise. Good. The fantastic thing is that not only are you strengthening your knee joint, but you're also helping to protect your lower back, strengthening the hip joint, and improving your pelvic alignment. Let's do 7 more like this. 7. Good, and 6. Keep pressing those heels into one another. Just 5 more. And lower. 4 more. 4. Keep pulling the navel up and in. 3. And 2. 1 last time. Now we're going to slide that leg forward right in front of the hip. Your knee is going to rest down right in front of your hip. The shin is parallel with the edge of the mat. Your bottom leg extends directly out in line with the rest of your body. Now turn your heel up towards the ceiling. So here, once again, we're externally rotated. Now your abdominals are pulled in, shoulders are down away from the ears. You're going to lift that bottom leg up and squeeze. Now you want to imagine that you have a long rod through the leg that's keeping the knee completely straight, and then lower back down. Good, squeeze up and lower. So this exercise targeting the inner thighs, but it's also targeting the VMO muscle, runs through the inner thigh. It connects with the knee joint at one end and your pelvic floor at the other. It's extremely important that we strengthen this VMO to help to keep our knee alignment tracking correctly. Press up. Let's do 10 more like this. 10 and 9. Take your time. Really work that inner thigh. 8. It's often a neglected muscle, so it's really important that we do make sure it doesn't become weak and tight, but rather strong, stable and flexible. So what we're doing throughout this entire workout. Let's do 5 more. 5 and 4. 3 to go. 3 and 2 and 1 last time. Now bend through those knees, come all the way back to the center, extend your top leg out nice and long, and we'll come into round 2. This is a short excerpt from our brand new knee bursitis and pain relief workout, now live on the online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have this workout and over 500 more full-length, real-time routines waiting for you. We have equipment and non-equipment workouts, we have reformer sessions, challenges, 45 to 60 minute studio sessions, and so much more. Check it out with our free 10-day trial. I can't wait to see you on the mat.